Now second property, commutative property of addition and multiplication, subtraction and division. Now first addition and multiplication. The sum means addition, product multiplication of two whole numbers will be the same whatever the order they are added or multiplied. That means when you add two whole numbers in any order, the sum must be equal. That is called the commutative property of addition. Now when you multiply two whole numbers in any order, whatever it may be order, the product must be equal. That is commutative property of multiplication. Now suppose if you take x2 y3, one whole number 2, second whole number 3. If you add in one order 2 plus 3, 5. Again another order 3 plus 2, 5. Both the sums are equal. Then we can say commutative property under addition or commutative under addition for whole numbers. Commutative under addition for whole numbers. Next, multiplication. Suppose two whole numbers 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. Again order change. 5 3s are also 15. Then their product are equal. So addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers. That means whole numbers are commutative. Addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers. Addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers. Whole numbers are commutative under addition and multiplication. But subtraction and division are not commutative. Because when you subtract two whole numbers in two ways, means order change, their difference not equal. Suppose if you take two whole numbers 12 6. 12 minus 6 6. 6 minus 12 minus 6. Both are not equal. Then we can say subtraction is not commutative for whole numbers. Next, division. Suppose two whole numbers 4 and 2. 4 divided by 2, 2. But 2 divided by 4, it is a fraction. Here one is whole number, one is fraction. Then the quotients are not equal. Then we can say subdivision are not commutative for whole numbers. Now you have to remember that always subtraction and division are not commutative for whole numbers. Addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers. Like that in closure property also, addition and subtraction are closed under whole number, closed under whole numbers. Now subtraction and division are not closed for whole numbers. Same like in commutative property also, addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers and subtraction and division are not commutative for whole numbers. Next, additive identity. Identity means what? Identity. They means their identity. When a whole number added to 0, its value remains unchanged. Means when you add 0 to one number, that number does not lose their identity. It remains same. Suppose example 5 plus 0. Again you will get 5 only. Means here the number identity does not change. Then with which number if you add that number identity not changed 0, then we will call additive identity is equal to 0. Next, multiplicative identity. When you multiply one number with whole number, that number identity does not lose that identity. When you will with which number if you multiply, that number does not change. With 1 only. 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6, 1 hundreds are 100. That means when you multiply by 1, its value remains unchanged. Means that identity, it never loses its identity. So x is a whole number, then x into 1, 1 into x is equal to x. Means that identity does not change here. Then we can say that multiplicative identity is equal to 1. Additive identity 0 and multiplicative identity 1.